Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is a new project called Sogni AI Testnet. How to start mining Sogni Testnet, and it is very easy to mine. All you need to do is just to create an AI image and you will get rewarded. Good thing about this Sogni AI is that they will soon list it. The project will soon be listed. So do well to join this project right away. I'll drop the referral code in the video description. You do is just follow this process and you are going to get it right. So you tap on sign up for free. Tap on sign up for free. So you're going to put your username, the email address, the referral code, and you continue. So make sure you put your email address and everything, then we'll continue. Yeah, and make video so that you make sure you put a referral code so that you can get a referral bonus. So right here, you're going to put your password, then you confirm the password, then you click on I understand Sogni can't reset my password. Just make sure that you write your password down so that you will not forget. They can't reset the password. They are saying it here that Sogni cannot reset your password. If you forget your password, you are on your own. Write it down somewhere, please. So right here, they say password cannot be reset or recover. Learn why. We strongly recommend using a password manager to save your credential. So you know that. Now you click on create. You can as well copy your password if you want to copy it and save it somewhere. You can do that. Then you click on create account. So right here, this is the account. And your daily boost is 200 Sogni daily boost. This is my wallet address right here, and your balance over here. You can now see verify your email to get 500 Sogni. You need to verify your email. So I've already received an email right now, so I'm going to click on my email. Click on the link sent to your email to claim your reward. So if you scroll down right away, you can see I've received the email right here. You guys can see my email, so I'm going to click on it to verify the email. Then we'll get the code and we'll continue. So right here, this is the Sogni email I received. Now click on verify your email right here. Click on verify your email. It's going to take us back to Hrum to verify the email. So right here, you have been verified. So this is it. I have been verified, and you can get full render credit will arrive into your Signal account very soon. I will soon receive the 500 very soon. Then the next step here, another point to do on this particular app is that you must join their Discord rule. You must do these tasks, and you have to also follow them on S. This is the two tasks available for us to do. So to do the Discord role, let's tap on claim Discord role. Tap on it. So you need to accept the invite. Tap on accept invite. So you are going to give it time to load. So you need to answer some question. What do you want to do here? The first question is sharing creation made on Sogni, learn tips and tricks to better use Sogni, this and that, chatting with community, getting a role. Now let's click on getting a role or earning some more money. Then you click on finish. So this is my Twitter joined. I have already joined. So now to do this role, what you are going to do right away is to click on verify. You can see verify. Click on verify right here. You need to verify yourself. Look at verify. Tap on it to verify that you are a woman, you are not a bot. Then once you click on verify, or you click on roles, so you click on roles, you now, to show that you are a woman, you are not a bot, click on your country code or your country flag. Then you click on mark good. That is the task to do to show that you are a woman. You click on mark good. You choose your country. Where is my Nigeria? Not here. So this is how to do your task rule. When you are done reading, click on this arrow here. So that one is done. You click on good Nigeria. You click on Nigeria. So that is it. Once you are done, you go back. Click on this place to go back. Now we are going to, you can see here that says support, general support. Tap on it. This is all we are doing to verify ourselves that we are human. You have already, okay, you already have the Testnet user role because of that thing I do. So you are going to scroll down here on this message. So you are going to type a message. Just say hello to verify yourself. Just type hello or hi, hello, then you send it. You say you have, okay, then now say you already have the Testnet user rule. So please state clearly your issue. Use hash or this to say GME, or just read that, then use hash rule and follow the instruction to get your rule. So this simply means I have gotten the Testnet ruler user rule. So let's go back. So once you come back to the website, you can now see that I have verified my email and I've gotten 500 Sogni, and the daily boost is 200. I have claimed this one, and the referral reward is 125 Sogni. Then you click on claim to claim it. Now I have claimed it. Here is now my referral code. I'm going to drop it in the video description. Use this code and join. Be fast about it. Now what you are going to do is to click on copy right away. Copied. Now to create your own AI image and get reward. Before we create our image, click on this place. Click on this wallet. As you can see, available in account, this is what I have in my account, 750, and the selected balance is 0 Sogni. So and the pending credit is this, so the pending debit is this. Right now I don't have anything on this my wallet, but I'm going to create an AI image to get some balance on my account. So click on this create icon. So right here you can see website. Right here you can see this small image. Tap on it. Okay, over here is now the place where you can create the AI image that will help you, that will give you the point every day. So what you are going to do is now to click on imagine. Tap on this imagine. It's starting. Give it time to load. It's going to create an AI image for you, and after creating this you automatically get a point for creating this every day. You can do it as many times as you can, but mind you, as you are creating the AI image, it's reducing some amount from your balance. So that is how you earn with your balance. So do this and be serious about this airdrop. This airdrop is going to do well. It's not difficult to create. If you follow this method I'm showing you, you are going to get it right. Here is showing queued. So it has created an image for us. So what you are going to do is to click on this any side by the side so that we can see the image. So here is the image. Oh, it's still loading. Maybe my network is still not, my network is frustrating himself, not me. It's still loading, but you're supposed to see the picture, just a picture of AI image. Now, so right now, if you click back on my wallet, you know before I don't have anything on the wallet. If you click on this wallet now, let's check if you have gotten a point. Can you see? I now have a point. Pending debit, I have 3.60 Sogni, and my balance, which is 750, has now reduced. Like I said, you are going to create this image from your amount, that from your balance. It's going to be deducted from your balance. So you have gotten it, and every day make sure you come back to the reward session to claim your daily reward. I have 22 hours left for me to claim this daily reward. It's very simple. Referral code in the video description. Use that code and join, and be fast about it. Do this, you will get it right. If you click on the models, so all these are the AI models you can actually use at your own leisure time. You can explore it to get more information from this. So that is it. If you find this video helpful, please do well to like, share and subscribe. So join my WhatsApp for more updates. Thank you guys.